Here we go. Buckle up. Smarten up. Smarten up, buckle up, fuck up. That's what we say. I gotta peel potatoes though, so that's my favorite thing to do. We're doing Yukon Golds. I want beautiful, amazing chips. I want a spice bag. My kids are like, what the hell are you talking about? I'm like, kids, we're making spice bags. Do you like a spice bag? Actually, tell your kids that we're gonna make a spice bag and they're gonna be like, what the fuck are you talking about?